everyone, and welcome back to Clean Up with Kelly. Today's video is going to be a quick 10-minute tidy up of our master bedroom. I'm going to put on some motivating music for you guys to listen to so you can get up and clean. Even if you only have 10 minutes, you can get a lot done. And if you like these quick motivational videos, I do have an entire playlist of 5 to 6 minute videos that will get you motivated to clean certain areas or do certain tasks around your home. So make sure you check that out as well.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true-to-love, true-to-love. You better grab that tambourine. Bring the bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to cause a scene. Make some trouble, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true-to-love, true-to-love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. We got this. On a higher level. Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young. It doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like. There ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you.
Here on my channel, I like to show you guys before and after, just to get you that quick motivation to see what can become of a huge mess. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the before and after.
Walking on the street when you caught my eye. Something about the way you move. No, there ain't nobody like. There ain't nobody like. So lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like.
new to my channel and you like cleaning videos, make sure that you hit that subscribe button before you leave. And let me know in the comments what you like to do in 10 minutes. If you have to clean something, what do you prioritize? Thank you so much as always for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
For a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. And you're taking me